They're often racing. Snow Dipped came out pretty well, so did Dream Cross. Marquee being allowed to settle in the early part. Then Lit Up with Diamonds, followed by Virginia, and a Spectacular Play going to last in the early part of the race. Down to the winning post they come, and Lit Up with Diamonds takes the lead from Dream Cross. Marquee cruising up now into third, followed by Virginia. Then followed Snow Dip and Spectacular Play down at the tail of the field. As they run towards the back, and Lit Up with Diamonds leads by 2 lengths Marquee, who's sneaking a little closer. Running third on the inside rail is Dream Cross, followed by Snow Dip, 2 away Virginia, and a couple of lengths back in last spot is Spectacular Play. Down they go towards and past the half mile, and this one Lit Up with Diamonds has got away, increased the lead now to 2.5 lengths Marquee. Snow Dip's running third, followed by Dream Cross. Virginia racing a little deep on the track, and then came Spectacular Play down at the tail as they run down to the 500, and Marquee, being asked the question now, is ranging up on the outside of Lit Up with Diamonds. Snow Dip coming into the race, and Virginia wide out, followed by Dream Cross. And now Spectacular Play is coming home well. Lit Up with Diamonds from Marquee in the straight. Marquee ranging up on the outside. Dream Cross going for the run on the rails. Marquee reached the lead now, and in the last 75, Marquee just in front. Spectacular Cross goes, Spectacular Play down the outside, but Marquee has just won from Spectacular Play. Close for third, Lit Up with Diamonds, followed by, on the inside, Dream Cross.
And as you can see on your TV monitors right now, we have a double photo for first and photo for third sa ating race number 4.
Very exciting. Sobrang dikit nagkatalo. Nahihirapan ang ating mga stewards and ang judges natin.
Too close to call by the naked eye.
Too close to call. So hold on to your tickets, race fans. Hold on to your tickets. We have a photo finish. Pero bago yan, ito muna, bibigyan natin ng quarter clockings. 18